Kani kakenhun ki Samla Pule ki badon hapo Lama jong Joint Action Committee ki bakun thup ya ka ki issue North Eastern Hills University Unit bat ka megla Postgraduate Student Union bat ka Nehu su menda ka singi la lumlang ya baro Samla Pule kani ka Skulbah akhwan ka phalau jong ka Central Library jong kani ka Skulbah ban pelong ya jingra lagi Lama Iong.
Respected Madam, the JEC Joint Action Committee, which was formed by the Khasi Students Union, Nehu Unit and the Meghalaya Postgraduate Students Union under the banner of the Northeastern Hill University Students Union for the purpose of demanding for appointment of a regular Vice-Chancellor within the university, has decided to put up forward before Your Honour this representations mentioned in the subject cited above. The point number one, the committee had already sent a letter to your esteemed office on the 19th of June 2015 with reference number Nehu JEC Mhrd 10 to address the problems faced by the students of the Northeastern Hill University due to the absence of a regular Vice-Chancellor. In the above mentioned letter, the committee has also reminded the Ministry of Human Resources Development about the same demand made by the Northeastern Hill University Students Union in 15th September 2014. In the union's letter, the reference number Nehu 2013-14 Mhrd 57. It is clear that the Ministry of Human Resources Development is not interested in solving the problems faced by the students in the Northeastern Hill University, as there was not a single response from the ministry, despite the efforts made by the students to draw the attention of the central government and of the ministry concerned to address the various problems faced by the students of the university. The attention of the central government and the minister concerned to address the various problems faced by the students of the university. Point 4. It is a matter of fact that the students are victims of these various problems arising in the university due to the inaction of the part of the Ministry of Human Resources Development and the Government of India as a whole. The committee, on behalf of all the students of the Northeastern Hill University, would like to request Your Honour to kindly take the matter into consideration and to ensure that a new regular VC will be appointed last by 30th of September 2015. The committee, along with all the students of the Northeastern Hill University, would be compelled to go for democratic agitations and to make it an issue of national importance if the Ministry of Human Resources Development and the Government of India fail to make it happen.
Concern about students that they don't come for rallies, this and that generally. So for Nehu teachers, it's very hard to collect together in a big, to represent the whole teacher association in a fuller way like today. It seems to be brimming with people here. Now that being said, I have a mixed feeling today, and that is, on the one hand, I'm happy to see so many students activated and conscious about the present reality of the affairs of the university, and for this it takes a lot of doing from the union side to educate and to share their feelings, because many students do not know what's going on inside and so on and so forth. So they have taken this as their concern and made a show of it today. Now again, on the one side, I'm very sad, because according to me, this should not be a student's concern. Unfortunately, it has come to the point that the students have taken it upon themselves. So it's a failure on the part of the Indian government, and so it has brought a situation, as we've all been told again and again, that for the past 2.5 years, Nehu has been functioning, that is administratively, on a basis of very, very short-shifted staff. And things are not moving as properly as they should, and there's a lot of problems there. Now we will not go and discuss the problem. So today I just want to say those few words, that I think and I hope that this gathering here, and for the cause that you have taken up, it shows your alertness and your consciousness and your concern, and for this I'm very grateful for the students for coming here.
The gathering here is for one and only one purpose, and that is to send a clear message to the central government that we need a regular permanent vice chancellor within the university. The reason why we need the permanent and regular vice chancellor is that, for your information, for those of you who don't know the regular functioning of the university, first of all, we have one person who is the acting registrar and the acting controller of examination. And I hope every one of you face the problems that your results has been delayed. Our students, when they want to go and study outside the university, their admission has been rejected because of the delay in declaring the examination results. Do you face that problem or not? And then when we look at the statutes of the university, we see that it doesn't allow one person to hold 3 posts. That is, as I've just said, the registrar, the controller, and also a teacher in his own department. When we approach them regarding the various problems faced by the students, they will always tell us that we don't have the power because we are just in acting position. What kind of administrators do you expect? So, in the previous Nehu Students' Union, on 15th of September 2014, they have sent a letter to the Ministry of Mhrd, and then to the Prime Minister, to the President of India, and also to the Chairman of UGC. But my dear friends, none of these people who are holding the highest official posts or public posts in the country care to listen to their problems, our problems. My dear friends, this is not a joke. This is my future and this is your future. The government doesn't have any right to play with my or your future. It is their duty to provide us the facilities that we deserve to get. UGC? No rest! UGC? No rest! Thank you all, my dear friends. God bless you all.
Samla penkemen lang Samla chairman ke Joint Action Committee kan hiusu habakran ke larap sai khubor oleh tu bahkan ke jingi lom lang mandak sengi kalong namar ke jingot nagaliang ke Samla Pule namar ke jimbom la bachim rajong acting vice chancellor halor kira ki babon ki bede berkabah kamiat jong ke Samla Pule kan ke Skulbah ulo ong la dak Ministry of Human Resources Development kamla bentung yo vice chancellor bapura kan ke Skulbah hapo kalai phok tarik mentau benai ke Joint Action Committee kam bensi bensim de ki weipat kilenti ban penbor kan ke tanat ke bapet ke Skulbah Hagari borok away. Ulay tu bahkan ini kejimi jong ki Samla Pule mentak sengi kalau ngamar kejingle maina ke Sarkar Pedeng. But ke Ministry of Human Resource Development ya ke Nehu mental asnem Mynthi.
Kejingi don jongi mentak sengi kalau kum kadak kejing persya ya kejing sengap jong ke Central Government Lama ke Ministry of Mhrd ya kejing dawa ki bengil abo Ahmad jongki kumbasis nem mensyua. Ti ya keji isi la form kumbansu benrap yang sesisian. Ya keji isi hi la form da ke Khasi Students Union ke Meghalaya Postgraduate Students Union hapo ke Shatri jong ke North Eastern Hill University Students Union. Dei hadian ba ki kena ki Samla Pule ki laut ki lanam bat ki lawan na kapor sikapor hangi ki nong kitkam ki nong elam ban ut ya ki jenge di hadian bangil approach ki higher authorities ya ka administration ya registrar kei kadau ke BKI ke long ba nimla mensim decision namar ba ngidai tangki acting ngidan you acting vice chancellor ngidan acting registrar acting controller bat kumta terter kimla banai ki decision ki ba penhun ya ki jingdawa ki jongi bat dei lor kata kanorem kala penbor ya ki students ban yami pat ba bat bangin form no ikni committee namar ba kapor kala dir namar ba mental adai asnam tam bangil hamdan shu permanent vc